Okay guys, so this is going to be a quick video. I randomly found two Destroy Humans bobbleheads from Funko on eBay, and so I ordered it. So first of all, we have the Wii Destroy Humans Big Willy Unleashed. This game is a unique Destroy Humans game that uses the Wii motion controls. It's not as crazy as the original Destroy Humans games, but I still found it fun. So this is just a quick look at the actual game. And here we have a large Funko Pop bobblehead of the Big Willy. Big Willy's restaurant's mascot is a 20-foot tall toddler clad in red bib overalls and brandishing a mischievous demeanor. But don't let his rosy cheeks grin fool you. Big Willy is literally armed to the teeth with Furon weaponry. Yeah, instead of like a flying saucer, you actually control this guy, making him your friendly neighborhood war machine of utter annihilation. Would you like fries with that? So it comes in this box, and it's advertising, look for the Path of the Furon bobblehead coming out in summer of 2018, and there he is on the right. So the box I got's pretty beat up, but that's fine. Whoa, he kind of fell out here. So that's all it is. It's just the bobblehead, nothing else in the box. It is very light. He's hollow on the inside. 2007 THQ. And this is pretty much it. He's holding a giant hot dog. He has his head bobble. It's kind of dirty on mine. Gonna have to try clean that up. He is extremely light. He's not heavy at all. And he's made out of vinyl, just like vinyl piggy banks or money banks, coin banks, whatever you call them. Now over here we have the Destroy Humans Path of the Furon Cryptosporidium 138. So this one's 138 instead of 137. Having grown tired of the monotony of harvesting DNA over the past 20 years, Crypto spends most of his time managing his casino and shining it up in Las Paradiso. He now only kills humans out of habit and a dwindling sense of duty. But when an insidious new enemy threatens his groovy new way of life, Crypto must embark on a journey of enlightenment and destruction before he can once again destroy all humans. So this is a regular size Funko bobblehead of Crypto. I'm going to take him out of this protective box. Once again, the reason why he's in this protective box is because he's actually missing the front cover of the actual box. Funny enough, Crypto is slightly heavier than Big Willy. Big Willy is really hollow and light. Crypto, his head, I feel like has some weight to it. So there he is. Here's Crypto from Path of the Furon. His gun is a bit squished. It should be a bit thinner and longer, but that's the style of the bobblehead. And here's his outfit. Crypto 138. Here's his head, hollow with a spring, so it bobbles. And these two will look nice side by side. It is clearly not to scale, because I'm pretty sure Big Willy is like 100 times bigger than Crypto, but Crypto's technically supposed to go inside Big Willy to operate him. Oh, and I might as well just show you the game Path of the Furon. It's a only on Xbox 360 in North America, but I believe it came out on PS3 in Europe as well. So it's another Destroy Humans game, but it's not as classic or polished as this is weird. Yeah, it's not as classic or polished as Destroy Humans 1 and 2. So here, just quick glance at the manual. And yeah. So there you have it, a quick look at the Big Willy Funko Bobblehead and the Crypto 138 from the Path of the Furon series Bobblehead. And if you found this video useful or likable, please give me a like. If you'd like to see the more recent 2020 Destroy Humans remake unboxings, check out the description and the links here at the end of the video. Thanks for watching.